This is my old house number, and in this video, I'll show you how to install floating house numbers. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. If your old number is like mine, use a flathead screwdriver and remove the old house number. Step 2. Take some paint and touch up the old surface before installing the new house number on top of it. Step 3. Do me a favor, smash that like button. I got these floating numbers on Amazon. See the links in the description below. The back has some instructions that you can follow, and the front has the template, but I don't recommend you fully use the template, and I'll show you why. It also came with this hardware. Step 4. Tape the template to the piece of wood like this and screw in the provided stems on the back end of the number. Then place it on top of the template, and you can see that the template doesn't really match the stems. So take a mallet and make your own holes in the template. You can see that only one hole on the top that actually was accurate, but the rest were way off. Step 5. Place the spacer on the stem and measure the remaining distance that you'll need to drill out in your wall. Use a standard drill bit if you're drilling into the wood siding, or use a concrete drill bit for concrete installation. Measure the anchor first if you're installing to concrete, and use tape on the drill bit to show you how far you need to drill. Next, tape the template on the wall and start drilling out your holes. Step 6. Use a hammer and hammer in the anchors. Next, I use the mallet to hammer in my number 3. However, as you can see, it started bending in all kinds of directions because the stem were crooked, and it was very difficult to get it in place using this method. So I actually don't recommend you doing this method at all. Instead, here's what you do. Take some silicone and fill in the drilled holes that are without the anchors. Then, take your number and insert it into the holes. Hold it for a little bit for the silicone to grab on. You can also tape so you don't have to hold it very long. Next, take a knife blade and remove the excess silicone off. You don't have to do this, but it'll make it look very nice, and I would recommend it. This is what my number 8 looks like, and it's much better than my number 3. Like and subscribe.